This is a video by Richmond. Today we are working on a air conditioner heater system to see if we have blockage, air that is not passing through the heater core and the evaporator. Now if you happen to have a vehicle with a pollen filter, you probably won't have any problems with blockage. The pollen filter will trap most things coming in, but if you don't, sometimes some leaves and things will get clogged in there and it will block the air flowing through. Now what I've done is removed the heater blower motor, and most blower motors are located in this area right here, which is underneath the glove box area. Now I'm going to take this small digital camera and get it up there so we can see if there's any blockage there, and then we can look at it later and see if it's okay. So here we go. We'll see if we can get the camera in there and see if we can see it. What the heck? How the heck did that get in there? Holy moly. Boy, we got blockage, don't we? Wow. No, I'm only kidding. You'll most likely see some leaves in there and, you know, stuff from the outside. You won't get what I had in there. You most likely get, you know, I've seen leaves in there and twigs and paper, but I'm going to get a vac in there and clean it out just to make sure. Alright, so that's my little tip for the day. Thanks for watching, guys.